I chose ICE for culinary school because I was part of the weekend program. Working in New York City, ICE was the best program available.
It was like a shorter, more intense program, and I was able to graduate sooner, and it gave me the flexibility to work and do school at the same time.
I loved how I could be at school and also be working in the industry as well, so practicing what I was learning at the same time.
In terms of the curriculum, it was intense, but ultimately exactly I think what I needed for my, the real world.
So the greatest lesson that I learned at ICE had to do with following my passion, and I think that it was never really directly said to me from the chefs, but I could see their passion for what they were doing.
The biggest thing I've learned was to move with purpose and to get things done quickly and the right way.
All of the chef instructors instilled the idea of cooking with integrity and passion. It's something that they brought in terms of leading by example, but also always reminded us what this industry means. It's hospitality and service.
My favorite mod was probably mod 3. I loved making pasta. We did it like 5 times.
My favorite mod was baking and pastry.
If I had to choose, I would probably choose mods 1 and 5. I really enjoyed butchery. I think it was something I've never done at home before.
I did my externship at Nicotine and John George. So after my externship, I started working full-time at Nicotine.
My externship was at Missy, and I'm still working there now.
I externed at The Modern, a contemporary American restaurant on the first floor of the Museum of Modern Art. ICE
prepared me for real-life work experiences by teaching me all the fundamentals that I needed to know.
Everything from knife cuts to how to act in a kitchen.
And ultimately learning how to work in a team.
The advice that I would offer prospective students would be to just put everything that you have into it. I think the more questions you ask, the more information you get.
Try to take as much out of it and take it as seriously as you possibly can.
You're capable of more than you think, and so be confident in that and definitely let ICE help you in your journey into the culinary world.
I think that restaurants know that students coming out of ICE have a high level of technical skills.
When you walk in and you say, and you're an extern or you're trailing, and you say you're from ICE, it's fully understood. They know exactly what the school is.
I came in hoping for a 10 out of 10, and it was probably a 20 out of 10. It was the first place that I was ever with other people who were passionate about food in the same way that I was.
Being part of a weekend program, all of my classmates and I included, we had full-time commitments during the week. And so truly everyone was driven by passion and motivation.
I couldn't have asked for a better experience.
It was great. It was like everything I could have wanted. Changed my life.